Let's see how to use ChatGPT to make a KDP children book. First of all, you have to make an account in KDP. We will choose kids books because they are easier with little text and some illustrations. So ChatGPT will give us the story, and Blue Willow will give us the illustrations, the photos as you like. So even if you have no idea about the niche for KDP kids, you can ask ChatGPT. Here, as you can see, I asked him to give me low competition niche for KDP kids. And this is the answer. One potential low competition niche for KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, children's book could be stories that focus on diverse and underrepresented groups, such as book featuring main characters with disabilities or different cultures and traditions. Here I asked for more niches, and this is the answer. So, books that focus on specific hobbies or interests, such as gardening, cooking, or robotics. Books that teach social emotional skills, problem solving, personal finance, that educate children on lesser known historical events or figures. So many ideas. Here I chose this one. Books that teach life skills such as personal finance, time management, or home repairs, and told ChatGPT to make me a book in this field. Write me a KDP book in this field, book that teach life skills. And this is the story. This is the title, The Adventures of Penny and Nick, Learning to Save and Spend. And this is the whole story. Well done. Short story for kids. And now we go to the second part, the illustrations. We will go to Discord, if you have Discord. If not, you will download it. And you will look for this one, Blue Willow. As shown here, its name is Blue Willow. It's an AI software like Midjourney, but it's for free. Let's have a look on it. And as you can see here, people are making lovely, lovely, lovely photos with this Blue Willow. Amazing photos of nature, of characters, of animals, many, many, many beautiful things. So we will go here and ask it to imagine two boys, age 7-year-old, with black, for example, black or gray background in cartoon style. We press enter and we wait for our photos. And as you can see, these are the results. I really like those photos. So I like the first one and the second one because every character is very clear details. I will choose this one, so I will tell it to make me, let's go back, the YouTube. And this is our picture. Click on it, click here, and we will save it. With this background, I can make changes in Canva. That's why I asked for a background in gray or black. So here I am in Canva and I uploaded my photo from here. And what can I do? I can remove the background of the image. Even if you don't have the premium version of Canva, you can go to BG removal and remove the background. Great. Here back to ChatGPT, and for example here the story tell me they love to explore the forest and swim in the lake. For example, I can put a forest in the background. So I will look here in the elements and look for forest. Here I can choose one of these images. Which one? The cartoon style. I can choose this one. Make it bigger, of course. Here. From here. Here. And put it in the background. And here we are. Isn't good? Not bad, not bad. So you will follow the story and make your pictures and add the text to the pictures, and your KDP book will be ready in just maybe a few hours of working. That's all for this lesson, and that's all for this course. Thank you for your attention. I wish you like the ideas. I wish it will be a good beginning for your career.